Junko-san, Masahiro-san, Mochimune. Video. So I'll give you the tour of the Maeda farm. This is the place that I've been working for the past few days. It's my first host's farm. So you come up this main road here, and this is a little like farmhouse that they have on location. And each day we drive here, it's about an hour-long drive to get here. The property consists of 4 hectares. So I'm not sure how many acres that is, but it's a big property. I mean, he's growing oranges, mandarin oranges, and we've been going through these fields the first few days and just kind of like thinning out the oranges and pruning the trees, cutting off any dead branches or branches with fungus on them, or ones that are just dying off. And same thing with the oranges. And this orange orchard goes down all throughout these fields. You can see that it extends way down there, and then this like hedge line has pretty much the same thing on the other side of it. And come over here, and this is just like their shed. They've got some like industrial gear in there, farming equipment. Little chicken coop right here. And yeah, there's the other side of the hedges that I just showed you a minute ago. Today we did some transplanting. We got these smaller ones, and we planted them in this area so that they can grow larger, because the other trees that were around them were kind of starting to overcrowd them. And we also cut them way back in order to promote new growth. Added some mulch around the base of it so that it would hold moisture. And then in 3 years they'll be replanted in the orchards with all of the other orange trees that I just showed you. Hope you can hear me. It's really loud from all the cicadas. We also put this really strong paper. It's like wax paper or something, but it's really tough. You could walk all over it with your hiking boots and the stuff won't break. It's waterproof, and the purpose of it is to prevent moisture from entering the ground. And from this point on, all of these trees do not get any water, and apparently that is to produce sweeter and better fruit. Another function that it serves is to kill off there's like all this grass growing at the base of these trees, and it kills that off, and it allows for the trees to absorb all those nutrients that the grass would otherwise be absorbing. And still extremely hot out here. It's been a little cloudier today though, so it's not quite as sweltering. But yeah, I'm sweating right now just walking around out here. But it's all right because it's beautiful out here, and it's kind of like the terrain is kind of like a mix of jungle and forest that I might be used to back home around my house. Seen a lot of lizards. There's these really cool tree frogs that hopefully I can catch one when I have my camera on me so I can get a picture of it, but it looks like something you'd find in the jungle. It's just a bright green little tree frog, and they're very common. I mean, as we're cutting these orange trees, you'll find plenty of them in there. So there's all these nice flowers growing along here, and you can see all the hills up there. So yeah, it's pretty nice. Today, as well as yesterday, and I think tomorrow too, we have Masahiro's friend from high school. Actually, his name is Maeda, and he teaches biology in high school, and he's here working with us for like 5 days because apparently, I'm not sure if it's like the school district or the government or what, but apparently like all teachers every few years have to do 5 days of some other work other than their own. So he's here helping us on the farm, and I'm enjoying his company because he speaks the best English out of anybody I've met yet on this trip. So yeah, we've been able to talk about some cool things. But yeah, I just wanted to show you the farm, and that's pretty much it for now. Peace.